Welcome back YouTube. So back on this pile of shit. Still got yellow hands from yesterday. This is the day after. Still coronavirus, still coughing everywhere. So what I have done, I've come in, I've done my sealer. I've demasked, done my sealer. There's a slight paint, it's off slightly on the paint, but for what I've painted, none of it's seen really. So I'm not really that fussed. I'm pretty happy with what we've done, so I'm going to show you what we've done with it. So let's have a spin round. So like I said, that's been pulled back. That's all happy with that now. That's all nice and sealed. As you can see, there's, you know, lovely shine. Really nice and glossy. Literally really smooth. Let's have a look here. So we've got these boot shuts again, lovely, nice, glossy finish. Happy with that. The boots come out nice. The mats look really good. There is a bit of dust and crap, which is just, it's all on top. It's just loose what's fell in here while I've demasked. Well, yeah, I've done my sealer. So I basically touched over the original sealer and just touched it over. I'm happy about. I've demasked them pieces. You can see why I masked them. I just feel they look a little bit better rather than just like half painted, like a bit half-arsed. But yeah, now happy with where we are. I'll demask the boot. Now what I have got, I've just been in to the house, and as I said on the last video, got a brand new trim from Japan, MR191509, and looking at it, it's got the clip, so winner, happy days. So I'm going to get this chucked on. So yeah, you can see, comes with all the Bobby Dazzler clips. I just have to figure out which way it goes, because that way done it be a plonk, of course it does. I'm going to wipe that first. Happy with that. Again, we just clip this edge. Oh, just like that. Like that. Could have been really nice. Except for this one. This one don't want to go in really nice. Seems to be a bit tight. I'll tell you why. Them top clips slot under the screen, so you have to, I think you've got to twist it. Yeah, so you push, I think you push them. But yeah, you do. You push them white clips at the top back, and them like ears just kind of hook under the glass. Yeah, there we go. Bit of wiggle. Old check. There we go. Miles better. Absolutely miles better. Ignore the muck. Just dropped in there already. But yeah, miles better. That's one backlight lens in. And as you'll see, seals on. So what I have done, you see how nice seal looks. A good tip with these seals is put thinners on a rag and really just give them a wipe, and it does really fetch them back like brand new. So when I bought this car, this was missing. Now what this is, it's back bumper brace. Now, I've had it powder coated, I had to buy one. This came off eBay, I think it was 45 quid. It was rusty as hell. And I think there was something like 150 or something for a new one. I weren't paying new one price. Fucking COVID, it's going to kill me, innit? Yeah, so if it does kill me, this COVID, one of you was watching this, I'll come and finish this, because it's stuck on my ramp, just like fathom a minute out, but there's an elongated slot there, so I kind of feel, maybe, I don't know, I'm just going to wing it, see how it comes out. So there it is, in all its glory, the crash bar I never had. Freshly coated. Well, that's what I'm on about with brackets. I think they'll come there and go through there, and then if you watch my videos of the chassis legs, you know there's that like bolt, so they obviously double thread into that bolt. So, and if a few years clocked on, I re-threaded that to a metric thread instead of a fine pitch. So I feel what's going to give me a dilemma is them. I'm going to re-thread them as well to a metric pitch. But yeah, I mean, happy where the car's coming now, so let's get this bolted up and see where we go. Definitely know this is not upside down, because the clips that the bumper clips into, so you slide it on, and when your clips go through the bumper and lock into them. Knew it, didn't I? Absolutely knew it. So, is this fucking camera following me or what? Mugging me off. It's not, it's recognising me, but it's not moving. Anyway, God knows. Knew it, didn't I, guys? Exactly what I said, because I re-threaded that. That's a bolt. Fucking corona. That's a bolt out of there. Tight. Won't go in. So, out with a tapping tackle. Let's re-thread this. Should have really tried all this on for, but you just don't know these things, do you? So we've got is the bolt itself. We have, any of you ain't got one of these, get one. Obviously you can't see that, but it says metric on it. So what it is obviously a few years, if you don't know, they're all different pictures, so you know what tap and what pitch thread it is. So I'm just checking now. And I think it's a 1.5. See that? It drops in nice. That is 0.5. Obviously it's showing it backward because camera's back on forward facing view. But yeah, so let's go 1.5, and obviously then you measure it, but that to me looks like an M10. So we're going to have a look. It's out with a tapping set. M10 be 0.75, M10 be 1.5. So right, you've got two taps. If you look at the ends, you can see one's got a tape and one's got not. So that's a starter tap and that's a finisher tap. I could probably go straight in with finisher with it already been tapped to one. What it'll be M10 be 1.25 Japanese thread. Tends to be, so. But yeah, I mean, for what this is, all I'm going to do is literally run that through. And I'm going to do it with a drill. And I'm going to show you how you can. People go, oh, you rough cunt, do it in drill. But I've looked at various ways, and yeah, I found a guide, and it's always worked for me. But yeah, let's show you how I snap a tap bit. First thing is I'm just gonna put a drop of cutting fluid in, and I'm gonna get my drill. I'm gonna turn it. The twist screws, that's a torque setting. So that's, you know, if it snags, that's the torque limit. If people didn't know it, if they thought that was for speed, and that's why they've always had it on flat out, you're wrong. It's not. So I've got this on hammer action because I was last doing some housework. So let's put it on just drill. Now you got also 1 and 2 speeds. So I want to go nice and slow, lowest speed, lowest torque. Bob's your uncle. So yeah, get a go and just go in and out, just gently. Obviously, more and more you go in. And where's that? We're not through yet. We're through at that. Now, I don't care if that should have been a 1.25 thread, I don't care. It's now 1.5. Lovely and tight that. So now I can get these bolted back on the car. That's going all the way. Yeah, so I'll get these bolted back on the car now. Happy days. That's pretty much it, guys. That's that light in. And now I've gone over and we bit of polish. So that's all this on. I'm not gonna lie, when you've not put one on, a bit fiddly. Obviously I've had to again re-tap that to a normal metric thread because I never had the bolts for that. I bought this used off eBay, and some of these were, it'd been bent. I don't know if it's been in storage a long time or whatever, but when stuff's bent, it does take a bit of time trying to fit everything up, but everything's fitted up now. Put the new backlight lens in, no chip on this now, really happy. So yeah, gonna move on and make a start, see if we can get the underside done. Get maybe the back, remove all that tape, clean them back crossbars, and then maybe get that back cover on, and maybe we can essentially put the back bench in. That can go in. It's not going to harm anything. Gets it out of the way as well. Back in the house now, guys. Wrapped up for the night and day. So that's that video wrapped up. Next video we're going to be doing the underside. So we're really looking forward to that. We're pretty much at where we need to be, just the underside now. So don't forget, like and subscribe, leave a comment. Thanks for coming back. Thank you for positive comments on the other videos. Yeah, it really does mean a lot, and it does keep the motivation on and keeps me going to get this sorted. Hopefully, yeah, there's going to be a big push on now, get it back on its wheels. So yeah, cheers guys, see you next time.